Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to parse JSON in C# with a simple example. Let's take an example JSON. So in this JSON, we have fields like name, age and city. So to save time, I have already written the code in Notepad. I will just copy it into a Visual Studio. So you can see here, I have assigned this JSON string to this variable. Next step is, let's create a class named person. We have added properties for all the fields we have in JSON, like name as string, age as int, and city as string. To parse this JSON, we need System.Text.Json namespace. Now let's parse it. Write JsonSerializer.Deserialize. And inside the angle brackets, mention the type we want to parse into. And into square bracket, pass the JSON string which we want to parse. Now let's add a debugger and run the program. The debugger is hit. If we do a quick watch on the person object, you can see a JSON string is successfully passed into the person object.